industry ayisiyona lento ecabangayo sayikhuluma indaba yakhe sayikhuluma nje serious uyayazi now into engiconfuseayo uTira uyena wathi babes lo mfana simdingi uzenza umampintsha kanjani usivusela izilonda wathi nama ngimzibe like so ngiba confused mase ngimbone sesenkampanini yakhe angani noma uyamkhumbula umampintsha kuyena but uzenza umampintsha into engicasulayo uqiniso wakhe ama slogans amampintsha ngiyaconfuse ukuthi ukupho kwenzayo noma ufuna ukuzama ukubuyisa umampintsha omusha shuthi uzama ukuvala isikhala sendoda yami.
People want to know your side of the story.
Yeah. Yeah, but ungifundisile nami futhi ngafunda.
Yeah, I like that you say this because there's this clip that is currently circulating everywhere, and I need for you to answer for yourself. It goes. People want to know your side of the story. To this statement.
I'm not gonna go into it, because it's a lot of things. She was in one time. Okay. But I'm not king or whatever that's been said because it's someone else's view or opinion. You understand? And I'm not saying piggies and
yeah,
but akuve kubuhlungu kumina mangizwa especially ngabantu noma kuma comments, you understand? Kuthiwa uzenza umampintsha lo. Whenever I started this game itloso kwangeyona ukuzenza umampintsha. You understand? But to push ilegacy and to push umoya kaBrawam, you understand? Angeke ngize ngikufihle lokho. And njoba ngisho kungiphatha kamangizwa kuthiwa uzenza umampintsha. But if you come and usikumini face yabo face was why representer njengomampintsha yayibona leyo nto le noma waze like angazi
push umoya.
Yes, waze push umoya njengo Jack. I feel happy, you understand?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ukapteni natiphendulela ngemva kweclip lesabalele ya Babes Wodumo athi ukapteni uzama kutenda her late husband umampintsha. She said kule statement yakhe ukuthi qula njengaye yonke into njengaye wayezame kudenda umampintsha. Washo nokusho ukuthi yamangala umangaliswa on DJ Tira because DJ Tira once said to her ukuthi abamzibe captain bavusela amanxeba. Uyamangala nje masekambona aqula naye anaye. Uyamangala ukuthi njani uthi yini inhloso yakhe. Laphendulela captain uthi yena nje umampintsha bekamjida wakhe and uyazama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi angafi man netalent yakhe umfana engafi uzama kumkhipha alive ukuthi aqule njengaye uthi akakuphiki vele lokuya kwenda but ukwenta nje ngenhloso ale right. Some defended him but cha uqinisela ephushe lento uyayishaya. Some said ukuthi hayi nawe kodwa nawe so too much angeke phela vele wende yonke into yemuntu uqulise kwakhe ukhulumise kwakhe konke ujayivise kwakhe cha sekumgopela nje lokwasasukuye ukuthi esozama khipha ilegacy yakhe alive nje lento lesoyenda nje wena captain iyabhetha. Some defending uBabes Wodumo senguthi uBabes Wodumo right ukuthi akwade umabona umuntu lesikatenda njengemyeni wakhe, but some said ukuthi cha ugirl nje une drama aka relax nje akayekele captain atiphushele into yakhe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.